name is Angelique, and we've been in Dr. Jotti's office for 13 treatments, or 13 days of treatment with Ariana, and that's a daughter who was diagnosed with POTS. And we had suffered for several months, she had, with not knowing what was going on with her. She had lots of symptoms, all the typical symptoms of POTS disease. And now that we're in phase 2 and we've had these 13 days of treatment, the POTS is gone, which is unbelievable because any Western medicine doctor will tell anybody with POTS that it's something they will have to live with for the rest of their lives, and it's debilitating. And a lot of people with POTS can't get up and walk. A lot of folks end up in wheelchairs. They can't participate in school or sports or life. And Ariana is, I won't even say back to normal, she's better than normal. Not only is the POTS gone, she has her energy back. She's able to do whatever she wants, hang out with friends, sleepovers, go hiking, swim in the ocean, whatever it is that she wants to do. She could swim if she wants. She was a competitive swimmer, and I think she will be again one day if she wants to jump back in the water. But she's also now coordinated and balanced, and these are things we didn't even know were wrong with her until we came here. And yet once we heard that she was, and what parts of her life were affected because of the coordination and the balance and just the unbalance in the brain, we could definitely see, that's why this happened, that's why she would do this or that. And now she it's like she's just a whole new person, like just a whole new being put together, just the way we were created. So it really is a wonderful thing to see how much she's progressed in a very short amount of time. We've just been blessed and couldn't have even expected it to go this well.
Hi, my name is Ariana. I originally came into Dr. Jotti because I had a headache in the back of my head that just would not go away. It took about 3 months before we came to Dr. Jotti. I also had a lot of fatigue. I mean, I was exhausted just after getting out of bed, and standing up, I'd get dizzy, like instantly. I was dizzy all the time. I was hot a lot. I couldn't regulate heat at all. And but the big thing was the headache. It was just throbbing in the back of my head for months. So we went to a lot of different doctors. They gave me migraine shots. They gave me all kinds of different medicines, but nothing helped. So we came here. I was expecting kind of the same thing, for them to give me some kind of medicine that didn't work and then have me on my way. But Dr. Jotti, he was able to appropriately diagnose me with POTS, which was great because, it took so long and they had no idea what was going on. So we came here, and after about a week of treatment, my headache was significantly reduced, like in half. And it's been about 13 days of treatment, and my headache's like almost completely gone. It's I can kind of feel something in the back of my head, but that's all there is.
Even the POTS headache anymore.
Oh, yeah, my POTS is completely gone. It's a thing of the past now. The thing with POTS is it affects your heart a lot. So I'm a competitive swimmer, so swimming, it would be very difficult because my heart rate would get really high up really quick, almost like very dangerous. So but now that the POTS isn't a factor anymore, I'll be able to do pretty much, I could do whatever sport I want with the minimal amount of effort and be coordinated now. I was not very coordinated before. So I'll be able to do, whatever I want now without any difficulty. So if you're suffering with similar problems, you've probably been told you'll have to live with this your whole life, and it'll get worse, and you'll just have to deal with it because there's no cure. You can get rid of it. Dr. Jotti, he can fix whatever it is. And Dr. Jotti is definitely different because he doesn't use any medicine, doesn't do any surgery. It's just fixing your brain and to getting it to work again.